Okay, is it hot in here or is it all this hot tech inside?
It could be a little bit of both. There is so much on the show floor, and I'm so hyped because this is really just day one.
Are you hyped or are you hot on all this cool hot tech?
You really, you're going with it, aren't you?
Yeah, I mean, how many times we say hot? I just want to counter on the bottom. It's pretty hot in here.
It is a little warm, but there's still more tech to see, so let's get to it.
Yeah, hot tech, right? Where are my fans at?
Oh,
hey.
All day, guys. We are here at Hover Air, and I am joined with Ken. I am such a huge fan of you guys, and I am so excited to be chatting with you because you've got a bunch of new things this year.
Yes. You know, like we've brought this year the Hover Air Pro Max, which is self-flying camera, as well as the first waterproof self-flying camera. So this is how it works. In one click, it takes off from my palm and recognizes my face, and it follows me automatically. So if I go down, it comes down. If I stand, it comes up. So, you know, it turns in different directions. And once I'm done, I put my hands underneath it, lands on my palm. So this is our Hover Air Pro Max. And then additionally, this is originally used for mountain sports. Now we're extending this to the water sports. So this is the world first 100% waterproof self-flying camera. It does exactly the same, but it does not take off from my palm, but I actually take off from the water, and then follows me while I'm doing, you know, surfings or, you know, kayakings, and then it lands back to the water. This is a completely sealed design so that it's actually, you know, resistant from any water.
So the real question is, can we put this to the water test?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, cool. So now you were mentioning that this is going to be taking off from the land just because we're inside and for demo purposes.
Yes, it can use both on the land and in the water. So we'll take off from the land now and then lands back to the water and see how it works.
Okay, cool. So if I was in the water, is there a gesture that you have to do to have it lock onto you?
No, it actually uses the camera to recognize your face and then lock onto your whole body.
Wow,
so
okay, awesome.
Anything. Yeah.
All right, let's try it out. Okay, that's awesome.
In the water, if it's like upside down, it can flip itself automatically.
Okay, so now, So you're saying it locks onto your face. How does it differentiate me between another person that's in the water?
So the first person it sees when it takes off is the person that you will follow.
Okay, so, but then if you're wearing this, will it then lock onto that instead?
Yes.
Okay.
No, yeah, so these two, like computer vision and this one, works together to make sure that you're fully followed.
That's amazing. This is so much fun.
Yeah.
So now how much is this? When is it coming out? Is it already available? How can we get it?
Yeah, so this is around like $1,000, and then with like different accessories, it's a little bit more. But yeah, so we're on Indiegogo, so we're actually, you know, crowdfunding, and then we're about to ship fairly soon.
Amazing. Okay, thank you so much.
All
this is so cool. So good to see you. Yes, thank you.
My pleasure.
All right, everybody, we are here at Emotive Mobilities booth, and behind us is the Air 1. Is that correct, right? Now I'm joined by two gentlemen that are making this happen, all right? We have my man, Aaron, CEO of Emotive Mobility, and then we also have Ronnie, CEO of Air EV. Now, here's the thing. We've been to CES a bunch. We've seen plenty of EVTOLs, or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, correct, that I would say might be more conceptual than actual real products. But the reason why I wanted to come here is to show you like this is an actual vehicle that is happening. So gentlemen, maybe you could start off, Ronnie, and tell me what we're looking at here behind us and a little bit about the Air 1.
So this is an aircraft which is powered by 8 electric motors. It's a full EV. We are flying since 2022. We have been selling aircraft since the end of 2023. We have a book order of 22 aircraft more to deliver. Basically, we're making revenues and flying around since 2022.
Wow, and then how do you fit in this puzzle, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
From a manufacturing standpoint, is that correct?
No, sure. So we were an early investor in Air EV. Obviously, it's not only is it a beautiful aircraft, it's also functional, right? So, and this is truly an aircraft and not a drone. You can see we're standing by a wing here that is actual airfoil, right? Which has a positive impact on creating lift and then reducing power consumption off the motors, right? So these are the kind of innovative technologies that Air EV is bringing to the market that first drew us as investors, and then also supplier, tier one supply partners for the manufacturability of the vehicle.
Can you talk about how real this is, meaning coming to the actual U.S.? What type of clearance or validation does it have to get from these different agencies to actually fly and will it be able to fly in the U.S.?
We took a different approach. If you look at the EVTOL space, some of them are doing big drones, which is uncertified area. Most of them are doing some commercial flights, but it's a very, very heavy lifting option in terms of effort, time, and money. We took the light sport aircraft route, which is a streamlined, self-declared route. We were approved to be included in this route this August, basically. So we can literally deliver aircraft to customers, private customers, later this year.
And like you were kind of telling me, hinting like if people that know about this space will understand, like if you know, you know?
No, absolutely, right? So the light sport aircraft space is a very well-known space, right? And to Bonnie's point, it's almost a self-determined activity. Now, the FAA as an activity is still trying to stratify the sky, right? For those who know what an LSA is and those who know the difference between a drone and an aircraft, it's very clear that they can tell the difference.
Can you also talk about maybe some of the other technology in this here one that we're seeing? You kind of gave a general outlook, but other tech features inside here? Absolutely.
We have a lot of technology here. I can say that our focus is simplicity. So for example, there are no moving parts here, except for the motors themselves. So there are no actuators, we're not moving the motors, we're not tilting the blades. There is a lot of software inside, again, reducing the complexity, not increasing the complexity. So the flight control is proprietary to Air and is actually extracting more efficiency from this configuration. We take off like a drone, but we fly forward like a winged aircraft.
So when people that are watching this, right, these are obviously customers that you are going to be fulfilling these tier. When can they expect that to happen around?
First deliveries to private customers will start this year.
Okay.
We hope to deliver 5 to 10 units. This is built to be built in thousands.
Mm-hmm.
So we will ramp up for double-digit and triple-digit during 27, and 28 should be hopefully
production.
Wow, that's incredible. Pricing wise, I'm guessing there's different packs, but what's the general
it's a few
price?
hundreds of thousands to begin with. We expect to drop below the 300,000 mark the minute we get to hundreds of units per year.
Okay, so the faster you get hundreds of units, the faster I get to get one of those. right?
That's correct.
But this is really incredible, and what we come here to CES is not only see like innovation, but things that are actually happening and coming. So appreciate the time, and yeah, Air One, baby, let's go.
Now, when I asked some of my followers what booth I should check out at CES, I was told I have to go to XTool. So I'm here with Stein from XTool. This booth is massive.
Yes.
Wow, okay. And behind us, what do we have going on here?
Thank you, first of all, Justine, for having us. So yeah, we're at the XTool booth. This, what you're looking at, is a carding. And this is done by one of our metal fab machines and cut well into one piece. So this is what we're trying to tell the public, that you can use a very accessible tool out of a garage and build something like this.
So you guys might be wondering, so what exactly is XTool? Well, we're about to show you because this booth has so many incredible things. So what's the first thing we should go check out?
So let's go to the metal fab first.
Okay. Whoa, okay, so wait, this is that looks heavy.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Watch out.
Whoa, okay, this is amazing.
That's real. I mean, it's so much layers that we cut from this machine. So from carding card to, some decorative steel pieces like this, this all can be done within this machine. This machine is a 1200 watts of fiber laser. It cuts, it welds, engraves, and also does rust removal as well. So it's a 4-in-1.
Can we take a closer look at it?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, I just wrote my name and we're gonna cut my name out. Time to cut. Okay, here we go. Wow. So it's basically using a laser to cut through this metal. It's incredible. Oh my goodness.
It's a little bit warm, but it's good
Look
to
at
go.
this. Okay, all right, next stop on the booth. Where are we going?
Let's go.
Now we're about to go into the welding room. So can you walk me through what we're gonna do, what equipment I need? Because I've actually never welded before.
Absolutely. So my name is Monim. I'm the technical support engineer for XTool. So for laser welding, it's different from traditional welding in that it's a lot easier. The gun will move backwards by itself when we do the weld, so you don't have to worry about doing a whip or any sort of movement with the gun itself. The equipment that you need, laser goggles, of course, the mask, and gloves. That's all you need to start laser welding.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, all right. And I guess maybe walk me through kind of the technology of laser welding, because I've actually never heard of that before. So how does that all work and what's the tech behind it?
Gotcha. The tech behind our laser, it's a 1200 watt fiber laser. So basically the fiber optic cable is doped with certain elements, and that produces that fiber laser that we use to then melt a steel core wire, aluminum wire, or brass wire onto the material. And that contraction and the melting of the material produces that bond that results in a weld.
Okay, so my new hobbies include welding. All right, let's go. Bye. Wow. So I was kind of fascinated because at first I thought like we just have like this little like laser gun, but it's actually attached to things. So what is that actually attached to?
So it's attached to argon for shielding, of course. You know, you don't want your weld to oxidize. And so that machine is connected to the laser welder itself and the wire feeder as well.
That's amazing. I mean, that's going to basically change the industry.
Yeah, it will. It definitely will.
You guys announced here at CES that you're going to be coming out with a UV printer.
Correct. And I'm holding one project printed by our UV printer. And this is the UV printer of XTool.
Look at this. It's behind the glass so no one can touch. Protected. Coming soon.
Yeah, so UV printer is a little bit different from DTL printer we just saw. DTL printer prints on fabrics, but this one can print on any hard surfaces.
No.
So something like this. It's coming up in Q2. But you can see, and what I can see is this project, also this 3D printed was also printed by this UV printer, and all these ornaments here was printed by this one.
Look at all of these things.
So look at the result, look at the performance. You will see this is a very nice UV printer.
Now I've used UV printers before and I'm such a huge fan. Like it's so much fun. I don't think people realize like the things that you can do. And I love that you're able to print on literally anything. I mean, look at this. Well, thank you so much. I had the best time.
Cars are the future, they're also the present, they here and now. So I'm joined with Amy Luca, CMO of Tensor, and this is your first time here at CES, correct, for Tensor?
For Tensor, yeah.
And what do we have behind us? Because a lot of people are curious about this idea of owning their own, I guess, are you using the term Robotics, or what are you describing it as?
Well, this is the world's first personal robo car.
Okay.
And why do we call it a robo car? Because it is meant to be in your own garage. It's not a taxi, it's your personal vehicle. Mm-hmm. Level 4, it's also the very first vehicle that is dual mode, because we believe that if you have a level 4 autonomous vehicle, sometimes you may want to drive if it's your personal vehicle. So it's the world first dual with a foldable world first steering wheel and foldable pedals. So when it's in level 4 mode, there are no pedals and there's no steering wheel.
Can you talk about some of the sensors and cameras and technology on this Tensor vehicle?
Yeah, it was a lot.
Yeah, let's go.
So all of our technology is proprietary. So Tensor has developed, vertically integrated all of technology, hardware, and software. We have 5 LiDARs. We have 11 radar. We have 37 cameras. Over 100 sensors in the car that are keeping people safe and ensuring that we can see with our LiDAR up to 300 meters in the front.
And this is not, a concept vehicle. What's your expectation of bringing it to market from what I've heard?
It's going to production end of the year.
Wow, production end of the year. So consumers would be able to purchase one of these by the end of the year?
Soon after production.
Soon after, okay. Now the other thing is obviously regulations, at least here in the US, different than other countries. What's the viability for where we'll see the Tensor first?
Our launch markets are US, UAE, and then we'll shortly thereafter in Europe. We've announced a partnership with Green Mobility in Denmark, so that'll probably be our first market in Europe. But UAE and US are going to be the primary first markets.
The other thing, I think because you're in the position to talk about this, I don't think people have wrapped their head around the idea of owning a robot car that is their car to drive or their car to just lay back in it. So can you talk about, it's a little bit of a mind shift change of how we look at our vehicles, right?
I mean, it's not a car. It's a computer.
Yeah,
it's a rolling computer.
Yeah.
It's also the first AI agentic vehicle. So imagine a world where Tensor texts you in the morning and says, based on traffic conditions, we probably should leave 15 minutes early than we were planning. Or texts you to inform you that school pickup's coming up and with traffic conditions, you might want to leave now. It's going to learn from its owner. It's all voice controlled, so there's no need for learning a whole lot of how to operate it because you're going to talk to the car. It also has the world's largest supercomputer in an automobile, so 8,000 TOPS of processing power. Our partner is NVIDIA, so we have 8 Thor chips in our car, which is you're not going to find in any other vehicle. And why do we have that? Because it has to be a rolling supercomputer to process all of the data from over 100 sensors and be agentic with its own LLM to be able to be the best partner it can be for the owner.
You've got me excited, as I'm hearing about all this technology here. What is the price range? Are you talking about that right now?
We can surely say it'll be in the luxury segment. So hopefully very shortly consumers will have it in their garage.
Yeah, the world and vehicles are changing rapidly, and you see it here at CES. You guys are part of that story. So, wish you the best of luck, and we'll see you here next year, I'm hoping.
We will be here next year. Okay. As a matter of fact, we'll be in this spot. It's secured today.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here. Okay.
5701.
In the West Hall.
In the West Hall.
Okay, you heard it here first. All right, thank you, Amy, so much. Have a great ride. Thank you.
So much.
Thanks.
Sustainability at CES is something that I always love checking out. All of the new tech helping us make the world a better place. So I'm here at Flint, and you guys are working on something really cool. I've been seeing people talk about this ever since the show started.
We're building a new battery technology that's completely safe and sustainable. So it's something the world really needs at this point because we're moving and becoming more greener, but the batteries we're using is not green themselves. And what we design is from the materials perspective itself. So we build the battery from the ground up and try to do something with lower impact, lower carbon.
How long does the battery last? Is it longer or shorter than a regular lithium?
We start with 2 main aspects. Number one is we want the battery to be at least the same as what's in the market in terms of performance. And at the same time, number 2, we want it to be cost efficient, which means we don't want to charge a green premium for batteries that are sustainable. We want to be competitive with what's in the market. So we have achieved those 2 with the first 2 products we're launching here at CES.
That's amazing.
And we can't wait to see what people bring this to.
It's so cool. Can we get a little booth tour here?
Sure.
So are these some of the batteries that you guys make?
Yeah, so we have 4 options actually, AAA, AA, C cell, and D cells. And the best thing about it is that they actually have the same performance and the same cost as what's in the market. So we are able to really be a drop-in replacement. And we really focus on cellulose as the key component of our batteries, which makes it sustainable and safe because you can actually source these materials anywhere from the world, from plants.
Now, is this something that's out now that we could buy, or it's coming soon?
It is in production and it is available for the market, and we will be moving to the consumer market later this year.
Okay, so you're telling me that this is a battery.
Exactly. It's flexible, it's super thin, and it can be used for so many different kinds of applications.
What kind of applications do you see this being put into?
Well, let's start with the first one, which is from Nimble. This is actually an Apple certified company that does third-party accessories, and they're now using our batteries into products like these. Well, when you travel, you can't carry lithium batteries in planes that are not certified, right? So we can have batteries like these in products like your passport cover, your luggage tags, and your wallets that are Find My compatible and can be using sustainable batteries.
I love these so much. Are these available now?
Nope, they're coming out in June this year, and you'll find it in the Apple stores.
Oh my gosh, okay, well, I'm so ready. I'll be at the Apple store picking these up. Is there anything else we should check out?
Yeah.
So I think this is the first booth that I've seen that has a bunch of dirt. So this is really cool. So this is showing the week by week how it decomposes.
Correct, yes. So the materials that goes into our battery are compostable and biodegradable, which means we do not do anything that's harmful for the environment. And this battery comes from nature, goes back to nature.
So you can see here we have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So I was reading on this little board here that you can also now recycle all the metal pieces.
Yes. So we can recycle and process it for maybe making new batteries. So one very cool thing that we're working on is to make these batteries actually act as fertilizers for plants. So once you're done using the battery, all you have to do is just toss it into your plants and it will compost into fertilizers.
This is amazing. I cannot wait until the future where these batteries are going to be in everything that I own. So thank you so much. I can't wait to check this out. So nice meeting you.
You too.
Did you say robots here at CES? We are here inside of Qualcomm's booth, and we have two friends, Booster and VinMotion right here.
Yes.
VinMotion. I'm here with Ignacio, product marketing over here at Qualcomm, and look, we know that robotics and these humanoid robotics, a big trend. You can see the crowd around here. They're fascinated by this. What is Qualcomm's role to play in developing and pushing this category forward?
What we think is that it's the time now to move from research and development towards the deployment and commercialization of these robots. So what we're introducing here at CES is not just a chip, it's a comprehensive set of solutions and offerings. So customers like VinMotion, for instance, can create these robots. Could be humanoids, could be home robots, could be industrial robots like AMR, Advanced Mobile Robots. But what we provide a chip. We introduced the DragonWing IQ10, which is a high-end flagship chip suitable for humanoid and advanced robotics. But also, we are providing AI models, what's called the visual language action models, who allow the robots to perceive, reason, plan, and act, perform different actions overall. That's trained by Qualcomm.
Well, what I think is fascinating about this is I remember back in the day when this idea of augmented reality, XR glasses, was still very nascent, and Qualcomm was one of the first to come out with a platform, right, to build on for other companies to then manufacture to build this. So, and now look at how many glasses we see out today that are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon technology. And here with DragonWing, this is what you're doing, but for the robotics space, correct?
You hit it on the nail. A part of our job is to anticipate what's coming and provide the technology to the whole industry at global scale to make those transitions happen. I was there, right, when we were launching this reference, I think 2016 or so, and people were like, that's not coming, and we accelerated the industry, and now you see a plethora. We have some of this here at CES, of these VR, XR, AR devices powered by Qualcomm, with PCs, with AI PCs. Of course, with mobile, we did it first. With automotive, now with agentic AI in the car. And another area is here with these robots, providing, again, not just a chip, but also the software, the services, all the capabilities to allow the ecosystem to create a next generation of robots, whether it's a home robot, industrial, or the humanoid form factor, big and small.
I feel what's interesting about this is, right, like we have this guy's Booster. Is this Booster?
Yes.
Okay, I just feel like when I see Booster, this is layers of you building on your different platforms, chip, even maybe learning things from automotive that is incorporated into these robots. Is that true? I don't know.
Absolutely, it's all part of what this new trend of physical AI.
Are they actively detecting some of the people's movements around them?
Everything in the environment. Basically, they take all their sensing capabilities and turn that into understanding, perception, and then directly the same model turns into action, what I need to do.
My final question here is, right, there's people that are obviously fascinated by this. So what do you have to say maybe when you hear some of the skeptics around robotics? Because I'm curious, you're part of developing this platform. What do you think about that?
I think we first will see these kind of humanoid robots and other form factors. First, we'll see these robots on these production environments where they can add more value. And then we'll be learning and integrating them more into everyday life.
All right, that is amazing. Well, thank you, Ignacio.
Thank you so
I'm gonna hang out with Booster and VinMotion a little bit, okay?
Please, have fun with them.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, I love your apron.
Oh my gosh, yes! Wow.
Yeah.
Here we go.
That's how we do it.
Hi, everybody. I'm Chef Marcel Vigneron, and this is
Brian Baltaggio.
And today we got a special treat for you for Battle in the Booth here in the Bosch kitchen. We've got Brian, we've got Justine. We're going to pair off into some teams. We've got Team Brian Squared versus Team Justine and I. Check out our secret ingredient here.
Ribeye.
So we're at the Bosch kitchen. So there's a lot of technology happening inside of here, not just food.
There is, that's absolutely right. Right here we have the two different 800 series. This is the matte. I know matte is very in right now. This is the glossy. Chef Brian's gonna be working on the matte. Let's get some gloves on.
Okay.
We also have AI ovens over here as well. AI barista. So these are devices at home, appliances. So we're gonna have fun here and really experience this in the Bosch kitchen.
Let's get the first pick of the ribeyes.
Ooh, oh yeah, I like that. Yeah. Do I need to put on
wherever they're talking? Yeah. There you go. Here's some gloves.
All right.
I'll let you pick. Like that one's got a good. This one's got a good.
Yeah, that one's
Let's get this one.
Eggs are like the only thing I can cook.
Cool, I love that. These eggs are actually cooked already. They're 6-minute eggs, so they should be yolky in the middle.
Okay.
See if you can peel these. You can do a little bowl of water and just try to peel off the shell.
All right.
If you want to get fancy, we like lean towards like surf and turf or something like that.
Oh goodness.
I'm now peeling an egg.
So let's make like a marinade.
Okay.
There's some shrimp in there, and we can like.
I like how you're thinking. I like how you're thinking.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
yes, okay.
And so we're gonna grill this.
Okay.
Oh boy, we should leave the tech to me, the cooking to the chef.
Okay, fish sauce wise, not too, just a good amount, like
A fair amount.
I hope I don't mess this up.
And what we'll do is we'll marinate the shrimp in this.
You guys should be worried over there. I'm just telling you right now.
Look, I know that there's one of us that have not been on a reality cooking show, and I think it's Brian.
Shots fired. Shots fired. I thought we were friends, but not anymore. Not anymore.
I have never been more nervous about something in my entire life.
The egg, we're gonna bread that, then we're gonna deep fry it. We'll do the ribeye, medium, like you requested.
Okay, yes.
And then we'll do a little spicy aioli. So as soon as you're done with that, and then we'll top it off with some caviar, right?
So let's throw some of those.
Look at that marinade. Look at how juicy that, mama. Look at what we're doing.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Hop behind. Look at that. You already did one.
Wow, okay, one down, one down.
Excellent job, chef. Excellent
There we
job.
go, there we go. Thank you,
There
chef.
you go, right on there. Take this, and some of this.
Okay.
And some of this, and some of this. And we're gonna go ahead and make a aioli.
See how it's drawing
Oh, it's sucking in the vapor?
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, that's
yeah,
a cool
right into
feature.
that. Yeah, it's very cool.
So with
it
this,
actually automatically came on.
Oh wow, this is look at
Whoa!
built in here.
That's so
why this
nice.
going on? It's going. Look at
We're gonna smash some garlic.
smash, baby. Okay, we're cooking, baby.
So, like this much, you think?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
We like it spicy. We like a little heat.
I'm making a spicy mayo. What are you doing?
I'm browning garlic.
Browning, you're browning. Right.
Brown that butter too.
Yes. I like that. How you like that?
I've been waiting for further instructions.
Yes, mix.
Mix.
You got a whisk right there. Yep.
You mix, I'll brown. Okay.
Okay. Look at this. Beautiful.
Go ahead.
That is beautiful. I'll give you that. Nice job. Has technology for you helped how you do your craft? How you
I mean,
feel about-
technology is actually improving the way that we cook. It's making it more precise. It's making it easier for us to batch cookery, like to do things more consistent in the kitchen at the restaurants, but also at home.
The new Bosch Cook AI actually has incredible capabilities where you're going to be able to take a picture of your food and it'll give you step-by-step instructions and also calibrate the equipment according to what you want to make. So if you want a steak medium, it's going to tell you time, temperature, how to do it. It's also going to communicate with the equipment. So it's pretty
amazing.
revolutionary stuff.
Because I'm definitely not a chef, and I feel like that would be super helpful for pretty much anyone.
And I am a chef, and it's also super helpful for me. So it's really revolutionizing the way everybody cooks.
Yeah.
Home cooks, professional chefs alike. It's just going to take it to the next level.
All right, I'm gonna taste the aioli and see what we got. Oh wow, it's perfect.
Perfect.
I love it.
Did someone say shrimp?
Oh yeah.
We say shrimp.
Uh-oh. They're making shrimp over there.
You hear it?
Uh-oh, on the other side.
Oh, look at shrimp. You marinated those really nice. Look at that. What's he frying over there?
We are cooking.
We're cooking.
Wow,
Yeah.
you guys make cooking look good.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you.
We appreciate that.
Is he slicing? He's slicing. We're going to slice.
Justine, how about I'll wait for you to try one of yours?
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
A little salt, a little pepper.
cooking with AI.
These guys ain't
an actual chefs.
Yeah, an actual real legit chefs. Food Network chefs.
What do you think? How we do? Good?
So good.
You must have excellent taste.
Okay.
Ours is just a casual, it's just steak and eggs cooked like a Bosch.
Oh, cook like Bosch. Okay. In the theme of the show, I like to call ours CES.
Yes.
Surf and turf.
Well, let's get some judges.
Oh, actual judges. Who wants to judge? Yes, come over here. Brian, get in here, bro. Brian. This is Matt. Okay, Brian, you're gonna get in the middle here.
I'll give you $100 if you pick ours.
Oh, don't listen to what she says, okay? All right, B. You gotta get a little bit of everything, right? The caviar, the flavor, the shrimp. Ooh, oh. Yeah. And just let it sink in.
Shrimp has a snap to it.
Okay.
Flavor is good.
Okay.
one. Go 8.2 on this one.
He's giving it 8.2. He's giving you some room. He's giving you some room.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie.
Right into the middle of the egg.
Right into the middle.
Get in there.
Oh, if you know the gooey egg, you know the, oh yeah.
See, we gotta get it all in
There you go, there you go.
Gotta get it all in there.
Great.
All right, oh my goodness, there's so much going on here. Very different bites.
Oh, very
Very different bites.
This comes to personal preference.
My personal preference is going with this one.
Oh, whoa! It was so close. Yo, you know what? Hey, it was close. I could tell he was legitimately like, ooh, this is harder than I thought.
Very different, very different dishes, but I would say this is more of my palate.
Can we get another judge?
Who likes fried
Just like
eggs?
the dishes, the palates are subjective too.
But that was amazing. Marcel, Brian, thank you so much. Brian, thanks for this. This is great.
Brian, thank you. Brian, thank you. Brian, thank you. Justine, thank you.
How did we find 3 Brians?
Another just a fun way to just mix it up here at CES, like a Bosch.
Cooking like a Bosch on the CES show floor. We have been running all over the show floor all day long.
I'm still pretty hot. I don't know if it's all the steps that I had from walking around with all that hot tech. What does yours say?
It's too much to count.
Too
way
many
too much.
steps. Too much hot tech. So, hey, remember, if you like these videos more, we've got more hot videos, more cool videos.
And there's also so much more on the CES social channels. So
All
be
right.
sure to check it out, and you know where to find us.
See y'all.